Okay, so if you're struggling with your trading, you want to learn or do the 3 Ps. Now, 3 Ps are this. The first P is process. As a trader, as somebody who trades from the charts, I have trading strategies. I know when I get a signal on a chart, I know when to enter, I know where to put my stop, I know where to exit. That is a process, all part of a trade strategy that gives you signals on a chart. You need to know that P, okay? The process. What is your process getting into the trade? The next P you need to learn is, or need to do, is practice. You won't get good at anything unless you practice. The way to practice is use replay. If you go to TradingView charts, there's a replay button, or any chart platform that you're using, there probably is a replay button, which will allow you to practice your trade strategy in real time, so you can't see the future. It will literally go back to a date, you click play, and you place your trade using your process, okay? So keep on practicing. You're not gonna get any good at anything unless you practice, guys. The last one is performance. The last P is performance. Now you've got to look back at your stats. You need data, you need stats if you're a trader to see whether you're following your trade strategy and whether your trade strategy is working. So the 3 Ps, process, practice, and performance. That feedback loop will make you a better trader. So make sure you do those, guys, because it helps a lot of my students that I'm teaching. They get into that process, they know their process of their trade strategy, and they can do that really well. They practice it so often, and then they performed it, and then they've got the data, and they get that feedback loop all the time, okay? Hope it helps. If you want to work with me, click in the description, guys. Request a call back, and we'll speak soon. Take care.